Hey guys, welcome to my Digital Humanities video project review. Today we will be reviewing the William Blake Archive in gallery mode. For those of you that don't know, William Blake was a painter, poet, and printmaker living from 1757 to 1827. Right here on the initial homepage is some of his recovered artwork, ranging from illustrations to printmaking products. So click on this one for an example. They're very colorful, very detailed. And I personally did not know that he had this many works of art, so this database of his archived works are very interesting. So it has his illuminated books listed, commercial book illustrations, so he was the artist but not the writer. And just some designs he's done. And then here are some of his paintings. So for example, here's this one. Which is kind of graphic. It also has all of his written works over here listed. And I think this is really cool. You can either look at them in alphabetical order or by composed date from earliest to latest. The site's kind of laggy and my connection isn't the greatest, so it's not loading as frequently as I would like. But yeah, it's pretty cool. But if you switch over to just the archive, not in gallery mode, you can read some of his works in this window. So it's pretty cool. And you can just click ahead with any of these. So yeah, if you're into William Blake, I'd encourage you to explore this and just do some reviewing of some of his paintings and sketches and just do some reading of his work if you're interested. I know most of us had to read The Tiger, so the Tiger Burning Bright, which was done by Blake, also has this beautiful illustration that he did with it. There's a series of those, so there's The Fly, The Sick Rose. They're all just very beautiful. So yeah, that's just a quick little walkthrough of what the William Blake Archive holds for his art and his writing. Thanks.